Hey, welcome guys. In this video, I'm going to show you two different methods to enable secure boot on your computer. But first, let's check whether secure boot is already enabled or disabled on your PC. Step 1, check secure boot status. Start by opening the run dialog. Just press Windows key plus R. Now type MSINFO32 and hit OK. Make sure you're in the System Summary tab. Here, you'll find detailed system information like your BIOS mode, BIOS version date, and secure boot status. As you can see in my case, secure boot is off. There's also another, more hidden way to check secure boot. Go to Settings. Click on Update and Security Navigate to Windows Security, then go to Device Security. Note, if secure boot is disabled, you might not see this option here, but don't worry, it will appear after enabling it from the BIOS, and I'll show you exactly how. Method 1. Enable secure boot via UEFI firmware settings. Let's start with the first method. Go to Settings, select Update and Security. Click on Recovery under Advanced Startup. Click Restart Now. Apologies for the screen quality. This part was filmed on my phone. Once your PC restarts, follow these steps. Click Troubleshoot. Go to Advanced Options. Select UEFI Firmware Settings. If you don't see the UEFI option here, it means your motherboard doesn't support it. But don't worry, I've got a second method for you coming up. If UEFI is available, click Restart and you'll be taken to the BIOS settings. Go to Advanced Mode. Navigate to the Security tab. Or sometimes it's under boot or config. It varies depending on your PC or laptop brand. Find the secure boot option and enable it. Press F10 to save and exit. Once your system restarts, go back to device security or check MSINFO32 again. You should now see that secure boot is enabled. Method 2. Enable secure boot without UEFI settings. If your motherboard doesn't show UEFI firmware in Windows, this method is for you. First, you'll need to find your BIOS key. I'm using an ASUS laptop, so I searched on Google ASUS laptop BIOS key. And for me, it's F2. Your key may be different. Common ones include F2, F8, F5, or ESC depending on your laptop or motherboard. Now restart your computer and press the BIOS key repeatedly as soon as your PC starts, right before the brand logo appears. If you miss the timing, don't worry, just try again. It's a short window and it can take a few attempts. Once you're inside the BIOS setup, just find the secure boot option like we did in the first method, enable it. Then save and exit. After your PC restarts, check again using either the Device Security tab or MSINFO32, and you should see that secure boot is now on. That's it, friends. I've shown you two ways to enable secure boot on your PC. Hope you found this helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.